Lesson 7, swapping faces using Photoshop. So in this lesson, we will use these two pictures and we will swap the face of this lady here into the face of this man. Okay, and we will use Photoshop to do that. So this will be your final outcome. This will be the result. So we swap the face of these two persons here, the girl to the boy, or the man to the woman. So this is the Photoshop example. So let me play this. So from that to that one there. Okay, so for this exercise, we will do the same. I will share to you both these pictures in your Google Classroom. So be sure you download first these two pictures before you start doing the exercise. These are example work of some of the students this past years. Okay, we have this, the first one. Then we also have this. We've got number 3. Okay, but this picture here is a bit small. Okay, so you have to be very careful with that. If you take a picture, be sure that your face is bigger than this, okay, or it covers the whole size of the picture here, so that it won't be difficult for you when you move the face to another face. Okay, this is the best example of for your next classwork. Okay, this picture here. We have that. This. This. And the last one, we have this. Okay, let's do the step-by-step process of swapping faces. So first thing, you have to open both the man picture and the women picture in your Photoshop. Okay, next, choose your lasso tool, then select roughly the face of the man. Okay, next one, click your move tool, then click on the selection, then drag it into the women picture. Drag and let go. Next, press your Ctrl T to transform, then make the face smaller. Okay, as small as the face of the girl here. So let me adjust it. I'm pressing Shift here so that the proportion will not change. So let me rotate that. Okay, then I think that's fine. Then I can put it on top here. Okay, then press Enter. If you want to see if those eyes here, okay, these eyes and these eyes are on top of each other, you can click on your layer 1 here, then go to your opacity. Okay, the layer 1 is the man. Go to your opacity and adjust your opacity, lower it down, let's say to 50%. Then you could see there Okay, the eyes and the eyes are on top of each other. Okay, you can use this tool or you can use this trick, okay, to adjust the picture on top of another picture. Then if you're happy, you can just click and drag it again to 100% opacity right there. Now click your layer mask. Layer mask is here. Add layer mask. Click this one and you have a layer mask on your man layer right here. Okay, this one here, the white one, is your layer mask. Then click your layer mask. Go to your background and foreground colors here. Be sure that the foreground is black, okay, because our background here is white for your layer mask. Okay, so that's black. Then go to your brush. Okay, you have your brush tool here. I will click my brush tool. Then I will adjust the hardness and the size. So I will lower the hardness to 30. Okay, then the size, I will move it up to, let's say, 70. Okay, 70, press enter. Then color outside. Okay, so this is black. Click here. Then I can color outside here to delete some parts of the man right here. But I think my brush is too sharp here. Okay, it's too hard here. I want my brush to be a bit more soft, so I will put to 20. Then the size, let's say I will move to 140. Press enter. Then I can just click around here. Okay, let me make my brush bigger. Then just click around, okay, so that it will be smooth. Okay, you don't want it to be very hard that you can see the lines and it look not beautiful. Okay, so let me just click outside. Okay, and my brush here, by the way, is very soft. Okay, click outside so that they will blend. Okay, click. Okay, if you did something wrong, as I've said last time, you can click this arrow, okay, to switch to white, or you can press your letter X. So I'll press my X. Then I will go inside here and I will try to click also here inside, okay, to make it to have some details back. Okay, I want some details back here. So then let me have here hardness is 40. Enter. Okay, I press X. Then that. Okay, so now I want you to erase some parts of the man here. Okay, so go on with your work while I'm doing the erasing as well. Next, when you're happy with the face already, okay, let's check here. As you can see, okay, the next thing here to do is we have to blend the color. Okay, the colors must be almost similar to the color of the girl right here, okay, as you can see. So how do we change or how do we adjust the color of only the face of the man here? Okay, we don't want to change the color of the other picture, of the women picture, only of the man here, so that it will blend. So first thing to do is click your layer here of the man. Next, go to your image. Again, click your mode. Then we will change it to CMYK. Okay, CMYK, because we are in RGB color now, red, green, and blue color. So we will switch to CMYK. So click your CMYK here. Next, you have an option of flatten, cancel, and don't flatten. Click don't flatten. Okay, what will happen if we click flatten here? If you click flatten here, these two layers right here will be flattened, or they will be merged. They will be just one. Okay, so you cannot adjust anymore your face here. So click here, don't flatten. So click don't flatten. Okay, then click OK. After that, your picture here now is CMYK. Okay, next step, click your alternate, ALT, alternate. Then click your adjustment layer here. Okay, do not let go of your alternate. Okay, next, click your mouse. Okay, do not let go of your mouse as well. Okay, so I'm pressing alternate now. At the same time, I'm clicking my mouse. Next, go up to curves. Go up to curves. Then let go of your mouse. Then let go of your alternate. Okay, tick this use previous layer to create clipping mask. Okay, tick this one. Then click OK. Okay, now you can see here that there's an arrow right here. Okay, you can see an arrow there, meaning this arrow here means that you will only edit this picture here, not the background picture, but only this picture here. That's why we pressed alternate. Okay, we pressed ALT. Okay, when we click the adjustment layer. Okay, what if you did not press ALT, or what if you did not press alternate? Okay, let me show you here. Okay, let's go back first. I will click my history. I will go to CMYK. Okay, I have here, I don't have adjustment layer yet. I will not press my alternate key right now. Okay, I will not press. Let me just repeat that one. So I will click this, only this. Then I will go to curves. Okay, then as you can see there now, there is no arrow here. So when you try to set the curve here, let's say cyan right here, this is CMYK kids, by the way, cyan, magenta, yellow, and K is black. Okay, CMYK. So let me change my cyan here. If I move my cyan, look, the whole picture changes, as you can see. The whole picture changes. So we don't want that to happen. Okay, we don't want this to happen. I'll go to my magenta. The whole picture will change. So that's why we have to press alternate before we select the curves. Okay, so let's go back to your history again. I will go back to my CMYK right here. Okay, so I will press alternate, then click my adjustment layer, then go up to curves, then let go of my mouse, then let go of my alternate key. Okay, click this one here, meaning we will create a clipping mask. Okay, tick this one here for your clipping mask. Click OK. Then you know that it's correct because you have an arrow right here. Then go to your cyan. Then you can adjust the color of the man's face only. So let me adjust it here. Okay, next I will go to my magenta. Magenta is a bit of a pinkish red. Okay, no, that's, let me see. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. Let me, in my yellow. Okay. bit of a yellow. Then go to my black. Go to my black. Okay, then okay, I think I'm happy with this one. But let's say you're not happy with your settings. So how can you go back to your curves again? How can you change again? So just double click this this layer thumbnail here. Okay, double click that one. Okay, when you double click, and this one will come out here. Okay, for your CMYK. If you want to edit or fix some parts of the face of the man, you can just click on the man here. Okay, then after that, click on your layer mask. Okay, click on your layer mask right here. Click layer mask. So my default one now is layer mask right here. Then click your brush. Okay, brush tool. Then I will try to fix this part right here. Okay, so I will go to white. Okay, that's white there. Then hardness 30. Enter. Then I can fix some part right here on the sides. Okay, so you have the option there. Okay, you have some options there to fix some parts of the face, even though that you're done with changing the colors. Save this work as number nickname underscore face swap dot jpg. Again, number nickname underscore face swap dot jpg, and put it inside your Google folder, the folder that you shared to Teacher Jeff. Okay, I need your work before the end of today. Okay, let me remind you again, the deadline of this work is today, 11:59 p.m. Midterm exams. So your midterm exams will be here in school, face-to-face, in the computer room. So the odd numbers will be in the third week of July. And for those even numbers, it will be on the fourth week of July. Your computer midterm exams will be out of schedule. Your school's midterm exams will be from July 27 until August 3. So our exams will be a week before that. And because we have odd numbered student and even numbered students, so we will have odd numbers on the third week and the even numbers this coming fourth week. For your midterm exams, bring 2 images or 2 pictures to school. One picture will be of any actor or actress or anybody that you want to put your face into. And the other picture is a picture of yourself. Be sure that your picture is clear and at the same time it's not that dark.